What's going on, everybody? It's day 6. We're trading the 50K Lucid challenge still. As you can see right here, we made a profit last week. We ended up blowing the first account. On the second account on Friday, we were able to make $1,000 on it. So let's hopefully have a winning week. We can pass this challenge here, get a payout by this week or next week. That's the goal. That's what we're looking for. Now, for our pre-market analysis, we're looking for sells still. On Friday, it was the worst day in history in the market. You know, over 1,000-point move to the downside on the NASDAQ. We were able to catch some of that. It's still holding up that momentum very nicely. As you can see right here, you know, it's just making a redistribution. So if it could come back up and create a distribution right here above that 20 EMA, I'll look for some sells. If price buys up and comes above this 50 EMA right here, I'll look for some buys later on today. But right now, we're just looking for sells. Hopefully, can catch something and put us in the green. Let's pass this challenge this week. All right, so we're looking at our first opportunity for the day. It's 11:14. A lot of time went by. Nothing's really been happening, but price has been buying up above that 50 EMA. So we're gonna look at our first opportunity right here, see if we can get an entry, get ourselves a nice winning trade for the day, keep the win streak alive. See if we get tapped in here. Okay, so price pretty much takes off. It comes above the high. I don't really like taking entries above the high. I want to keep my entries pretty much the same. So I'm gonna wait for a better opportunity to come and see if we can get entered on that one. All right, so we know that we have another opportunity right here. As you can see, price made a reset. It distributed, now it's accumulating again. It's making that MDB1 right here, pausing right here for us on that EMAs. So we're gonna step down and see if we can get an entry on this position right here. It looks real nice. So let's see what we can do. See if we can catch ourselves a win, put ourselves on green on Monday. Very nice. I like the way that price is moving. Hopefully we can get an entry right here. I'm not even logged into my broker. All right, there we go. Luckily, we were able to still get the buy stop setups. Forgot to log into my broker. See if we get tapped in. And we do. 1-to-1 will break even. There we go. We're at break even now. So we'll wait till it gets to 1 to 4. and then we'll move our stop all the way up to 1 to 1. If it reaches 1 to 5, we'll move that stop aggressively up to 1 to 4 and trail that way. So let's see what happens here with this trade. Again, risk is off the table right now. If it comes back down, we're just going to take a break even. We won't lose any money. So this is a risk-free trade right now. All right, let me just take a break even. Another opportunity right here. See if we get tapped in. Alright, so we got tapped in here. 1 to 1 will break even. See what happens right here. Nice. All right, we just take a loss right here. And we'll take one more shot right here. See what we can do. And it just fails off. So I don't like how prices move right now. We'll just wait for a better opportunity to come and we'll take an entry on that. So we have 1 loss and 1 break even on the day. We'll just wait for a better opportunity to come. All right, so we have another opportunity right here. We just got tapped in. If price reaches 1 to 1, we'll just break even. Here we go. Very nice. Now we just wait. If it gets to 1 to 4, we'll put our stop up to 1 to 1. If it reaches 1 to 5, then of course we'll just put it up there to 1 to 4 aggressively. So let's see what happens with this trade right here. We have 1 loss and 1 break even on the day so far. So let's see if we can catch us a win right now. Put ourselves in the green on Monday. Very nice move right there. Price is moving very strong. That's what we would like to see. Very nice, very nice. So I'm gonna step onto that validation time frame, make sure we're not missing any other opportunities coming up. As price is coming down, we could potentially get another entry. So we'll look out for that. higher. So we don't get another opportunity, but that's okay because that means our position is running well. So we'll step back onto that entry time frame, make sure we got everything set up. As you see, price is coming up towards that 1 to 4 area. We want to make sure we have everything set up. Loving this action right now. A very strong bullish move. I'm liking how price is moving right now. It's very strong. I see we could potentially get that move that we're looking for, get to that 1 to 5, get ourselves a win today. The way price is moving right now, it looks like it's gonna do that. And you can see all the buys are coming in very strong, holding up very well. So let's see what happens. We're very close to that 1 to 4 area. It's right there. And there we have it. Now if it gets to 1 to 5, we'll move our stop up to 1 to 4, of course. So let's prepare ourselves for that. Very nice price action so far. Worst case scenario, it comes down, we get that 1 to 1 to put ourselves back on break even for the day. We took one loss, so we'll just get that loss right back. See what happens here. Nice move right there. There we go. We got the move we're looking for. If it gets to 1 to 6, we'll put it at 1 to 5. And we get tapped out. So we got our win right there. +4 RR. We'll take that. Let's confirm it real quick. So we got tapped out on this candle right here. So a little bit more than that. We got tapped out right here. It's about 4.48 around there. Maybe a little bit less than that. Check that right now. About right here. It's like 4.29 around there. Got tapped out. Very nice move right there. We have another potential entry coming up right here. Have it right there, up 515 on Monday so far. See if we can get tapped into another position. Okay, price is selling off a lot. And all right, so I'm no longer interested in this move anymore. Price is selling off more than what I'm accustomed to. I don't like how it's looking right now. I'm not going to look for any more opportunities. It's already 12:24 p.m. I'm just going to take my one win for the day. The price action hasn't been the best today, so there's no point in keep on taking shots here and potentially giving up all my profits. So I'll take my one win. We're up 515 on the day, as you can see right here. So let's move into the recap very shortly. All right, everybody, so quick recap on the day. We took only 3 trades. Today, the price action wasn't the best. We started off with sells, price bought up. We started looking for some buys later on. But even then, the strength wasn't too great. It's kind of moving back and forth. It's choppy on Monday. So we took 2 trades right here. We took a break even and we took a loss. Great trades right there. We came back later on around 12:15. We ended up catching an entry right here for plus 4.29 RR. That put us in profit for the day. So we lost 200. We made around $800 on this trade right here, which put us in the positive for 515 for the day. We're up on the challenge right now, as you can see. We had a rough week last week, but this week we're up 1,500. We had 934 on Friday. Today we're at 515 on a 2-day winning streak. We're looking good on this challenge right here. Let's pass it. Let's get that payout. Join the Discord. It's free. Link in the description. Tap in. Talk to me. Communicate. Learn. Grow. Get some connections. And I'll see you guys in the next video.